everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our collaboration of Marijax, so please check her YouTube channel on my description down below. We made a collaboration for you guys, so I'm gonna start with the top coat. Then, using a dotting tool, dip into a brown polish. I am making a small dot, and with my brush, I am just making small petals with a yellow nail polish, and I am making a beautiful sunflower. Our collaboration is inspired by blank space minimalist design, so as you can see, it's just simple designs is what I'm making here. And together with those little petals, now this is the sunflower. Next, I am making a little orange poppy, and now I am putting the dots right over there, 4 dotted. And with my stripers, I'm making the stems and 2 leaves. Next is this pink tiny flower that I made, and this is the detail. Hello to Darastar PH, thank you very much, and her YouTube channel is in my description down below. For our index finger, I am putting some blue flower, and using my stripers, I am putting some details for it, and with my striper as well, I am putting the details of brown. And for my thumb, I'm just putting dotted flower, and then with my green stripers, I am connecting this tree to make that beautiful.
20 minutes later.
So thank you very much again for watching our YouTube tutorial. Please check our work in our Instagram account and our YouTube channel. Thank you and bye.